Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you try, you always end up making the same financial mistakes? That even after paying off debts, somehow they come back? This isn't a lack of money. It's the way your mind deals with it. Studies show that our financial decisions are influenced by unconscious beliefs formed throughout our lives, trapping us in cycles of debt and scarcity. But the good news is, this can be reprogrammed. In this video, I'm going to show you the science behind financial mindset change. You'll understand how small adjustments in the way you think and make decisions can transform your relationship with money, helping you break free from the debt cycle and build a solid financial future. If you want to stop sabotaging your own progress and learn proven techniques to change your financial reality, watch until the end. Most people don't realize it, but their financial decisions are influenced by automatic patterns developed over the years. If you grew up hearing that money is hard to earn, that the rich are greedy, or that investing is risky, these beliefs might be sabotaging you without you even noticing. The human mind works through repetitive patterns. If you've always responded to stress by spending money, or if you've always seen your parents living on the edge financially, your brain assumes that's normal behavior and will continue repeating it, unless you consciously reprogram it. This explains why so many people who win millions in the lottery lose everything within a few years. They never developed a wealth mindset. Money alone doesn't solve the problem if the mindset is still trapped in destructive habits. To change this, we need to understand what's behind our financial decisions. Financial psychology explains that we make decisions in two ways. The first mode, called System 1, is automatic, fast, and emotional. It makes us act on impulse, like buying something without thinking or avoiding an investment out of fear. System 2, on the other hand, is rational and analytical, but it requires mental effort. It helps us plan, save, and invest, but it only activates when we deliberately use it. The problem is that we live in a world that encourages System 1. Sales promotions, advertisements, and even social media are designed to trigger quick and emotional decisions. On top of that, our brain has a strong tendency to seek immediate rewards. This explains why so many people spend money in the present without considering future consequences. Now that we understand the problem, let's talk about solutions. The first technique to reprogram your financial mindset is rewriting your beliefs about money. Many of your financial decisions today are based on beliefs you don't even realize you have. The best way to change this is to bring these beliefs into consciousness and reframe them. Take a piece of paper and write down all the automatic phrases you have about money. It could be something like, "Money is dirty," "I will never be rich," or "Saving is hard." Now, next to each one, rewrite them in a positive and realistic way. For example, instead of "money is dirty," replace it with "money is a tool, and knowing how to use it gives me freedom." If you repeat this practice frequently, you will literally be reprogramming your brain to think differently about finances. The second technique is training your mind to think long-term. As we mentioned earlier, our brain prefers immediate rewards. To counter this, you can use the financial visualization technique. This means creating a detailed mental image of your ideal financial future. Where do you want to be financially in 5 or 10 years? What would your life look like if you had full control over your money? How much would you like to have saved? Research shows that consistently visualizing a positive future activates areas of the brain responsible for planning and decision-making, making it easier to resist financial temptations in the present. This simple exercise can help you make more strategic choices with your money. The third technique is creating small financial challenges to gradually change habits. The problem with trying to change everything at once is that the brain resists big changes. Small challenges, on the other hand, are easier to adopt and help build a new mindset without struggle. A practical example is the 30-day no impulse buying challenge. For 1 month before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours and ask yourself, do I really need this, or is it just a momentary desire? This simple exercise can completely change your relationship with spending and help you avoid unnecessary expenses. Now that you know these 3 techniques, I want to share a real case of how a mindset shift can transform someone's financial life. João was a businessman who, despite earning well, always ended the month in the red. He had already tried spreadsheets, courses, and even financial consulting, but nothing worked. The problem was in his mindset. He realized he had a fear of accumulating money because he grew up in an environment where wealth was seen as something negative. Once he started rewriting his beliefs about money, visualizing his ideal financial future, and applying small daily challenges, his relationship with money completely changed. In just 1 year, he got out of debt and started building wealth. If you keep making financial decisions with the same mindset as before, the results will also stay the same. But if you change the way you think, your finances will change too. What got you here won't get you to the next level. Now tell me, which of these techniques have you tried or plan to try first? I want to hear your opinion in the comments. If this content made sense to you, leave a like and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on finance and personal development. See you in the next video.